The trial of accused serial killer Anthony Sowell took an unexpected turn today. Defense attorneys decided to rest their case without calling a single witness. On your side, Chief Investigator Ron Regan has been covering the trial since day one. He joins us tonight with what unfolded in court.
Well, it's fair to say that everyone was waiting to hear just what Sowell's defense might be. But after 14 days of grisly crime scene photos and women describing how Sowell allegedly attacked them, Sowell's lawyers decided to cut their losses. The jury walked through the crime scene and heard about bodies inside.
It was taped up with the head on it.
They watched as Sowell claimed he couldn't remember details.
I actually don't remember until certain things pop up.
For 14 days, prosecutors put on 63 witnesses and a mountain of photographs. Today, it was Sowell's turn.
So at this point, I will ask counsel for the defense if the defense is going to present evidence at this point in the trial.
Thank you, Your Honor. We will rest subject to the admission of our exhibits.
Okay, thank you. All right, then, ladies and gentlemen, you're aware that the defense will rest.
Judge Dick Ambrose advised the jury they could not draw any conclusions simply because Sowell offered no defense.
The defendant has no obligation to present any evidence in this case. That is because the defendant is presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt by the state of Ohio.
Sowell showed no emotion. Then Judge Ambrose began hours of jury instructions, telling them what they can and cannot consider as evidence.
The evidence does not include the grand jury indictment, the opening statements, or closing arguments of counsel. The evidence also does not include any answers to questions that I have instructed you to disregard, nor does it include what an attorney may have said in his or her questioning of a witness.
So closing arguments are scheduled to begin tomorrow morning, and the case could go to the jury and should go to the jury by the afternoon. I'm going to be there every minute, and you can find up-to-the-minute details on Newsnet5.com. And coming up at 6 o'clock, I'll have a lot more on this story. I'm Chief Investigator Ron Regan.